Both the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Galaxy S24 Ultra have titanium-based construction for the first time. According to a man who has used the S24 Ultra, he claims that the S24 Ultra's titanium appears far better than that of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. He is specifically referring to the titanium gray S24 Ultra model. Furthermore, he highlights that even with Samsung's decision to go with a more rounded shape overall, the phone still has a pleasant and cozy hold. In terms of durability, the S24 Ultra now outperforms the most recent iPhone. Both have titanium frames, however Samsung improved with their most recent Gorilla Glass armor, which is supposedly more durable than the previous model. Now let's move on to one of the highlights of the S24 lineup, the AI Live Translate call. This feature enables two people to speak various languages to each other during a phone call, translating what is spoken instantly into the other person's language. Many people had assumed that Samsung would follow Apple's lead and limit this capability to Samsung smartphones alone. Fortunately, it turns out not to be the case. According to Nikkei Asia, this feature will function without a hitch even when a Galaxy S24 handset is on the phone with someone using an iPhone or Pixel, for example. This translation capability is very effective. It does away with the latency that was associated with earlier cloud-based call translation applications. Positive news has recently emerged regarding the costs of the S24 series in Europe. Samsung has made the decision to lower prices by €50 in comparison to the prior year. Will that now apply to other nations as well? As Ice Universe points out, it appears likely that he is also hearing from his source that the S24 lineup's prices will drop. Samsung's trust in the S24 Ultra and S24 Plus portfolio is demonstrated by the predicted large stock of these models. In order to draw more attention to its items, it might also lower their price. It's noteworthy, by the way, that Samsung will not utilize the cost of the hardware to cover the undoubtedly expensive AI functions. In any case, Samsung has abruptly decided to take this important feature out of the S24 Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.